It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday. I am back. I was going to do the Black Cherry Merlot review tonight, but I decided I wanted to do the holographic portrait candle holder because it's kind of unique. So we're going to talk about this. It's funny. A lot of people were commenting about someone just texted me and someone commented about buying the clock online. Apparently, a lot of those gold clocks have been breaking in shipment. I still might try it. I don't know, just because of 20% off. I really want the clock in my collection, and I think I'm going to order that tonight. So we'll see if it gets here in one piece. I'm kind of curious. So this is what I want to talk about now. Michaels actually had a lot of these pieces last year. I got to do it so my computer's not reflecting. This is called a holographic kind of vintage candle holder. So what happens is it's a picture of a woman, very vintage, and then if you turn it slightly, she turns into a skeleton. And then on the reverse side is the man. And again, if you turn it, you can see the skeleton. So kind of a fun, creepy piece. It kind of reminds me of like vintage haunted house. I actually really like the picture frame on here because it's like a rose design and it's really classy. Actually, this is one of my favorite pieces now. And then if you put like, say, the snake candle on top, this is a really pretty look. I gotta say, I like this. It's just nice, and it's like the right size. So remember last year, I'm actually going to grab this. Let's see if I can do, I don't want to, okay, I got to do this in stages here. I didn't realize how secure this was. We have to take off this beef jerky candle, which I have to figure out. Remember last year we had the Raven? I think I took my batteries out of this. Yeah, I did. My husband always yells at me. He's like, take the batteries out. They're going to corrode. So I always listen to him about the batteries. Remember the Raven from last year? This was an interesting piece because it had music. And then when you lit it up, remember it was green? Which is kind of interesting because the carriage is green. I like the green carriage a lot better. For some reason, the green on this one is a little too green. I actually like this one just in kind of like the sepia type of look. I feel like this also looked kind of vintage, old style Halloween. But I thought that this was going to be in the same style. You can see, obviously, big difference in, size. But I like both pieces. I'm glad I have both. Okay, let's put the beef jerky candle back up there. And then we're going to I have my Kringle Fairy Floss. Okay, we'll put that back. So my background looks all neat. But yeah, it's kind of interesting. These are kind of like, I don't know, they came into style, I want to say, 2 or 3 years ago. Like I said, Michaels had a whole bunch of these, with the changing face. And a lot of people like to collect these. So I do think this one is actually worth it. There's actually see the skull up here? It's very intricately designed. I kind of like it. The unfortunate thing, however, is that it's not online. I don't know why this one's not online. So if you're looking for any of the, I just had it on my screen. Where the heck did it go? I always do this. I always take something off my screen and then I'm like, why did I do that? Okay, candles, candle holders. Let's see. So the ones that you can order tonight with the 20% off are obviously the Big Castle, the pumpkin skull, which is that everyone loves that one. It's like that really classy orange pumpkin with the skull inside. The fortune teller water globe, which no one likes. The skulls and roses clock, the dripping rose, and then the chalice. I think the chalice is probably the best deal. This chalice is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Super pretty. By the way, if you didn't see this the other day, I got this at Home Goods. This was, I think, like $14 or $16. I'm like, way to go, Home Goods, for giving us some really quality pieces. Look at this. I mean, this is like, look, it's like a water globe with a gargoyle in it. It's beautiful. I love this so much. So, I mean, a lot of people I think are looking for different places to find Halloween decor. Home Goods is a good one. I'm actually going to go to Home Goods probably sometime in the next week and check out, whatever I can find. But this one isn't bad. It's $34.95. So with the 20% off tonight, let's see here. Get my calculator out. 30, where is my calculator? What the heck? Oh, here it is. 34. I always have trouble with my calculator. Mine is 20%, $27. Still a lot more pricey than Home Goods, but not as pricey as full price. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this piece. Do you love it? I love it. I gotta say I love it. It's beautiful. This is gonna go in my background, I think, once I get to a little bit more of the, creepier Halloween. I actually like the woman a little bit better. I think she's kind of cool. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're buying anything tonight. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.